Let's welcome to our new lesson, Plants Around Us. This is a lesson number 6. Okay, already we have discussed different lessons. That is our skeletal system, muscular system, our nervous system, food and health, air support life. Like that, 5 lessons already we have finished. I hope all are completed your copies and then assignment everything. Okay, and then let's we have to go with the plants around us. Okay. And then in these plants around us, we need to discuss some subtopics. That is a reproduction in plants. Okay, what is a reproduction in plants? Next one is a seed dispersal. And the third one is a seed germination. These all things we need to explain in this lesson, plants around us. Okay, let's we have to go to the reproduction. What's the meaning of the reproduction? Before you have all of them, you have to take the textbook, page number 54. There are different types of plants found on earth. All living things depend on plants for food, shelter and oxygen. It is essential for plants to increase in number to continue life on earth. We know that plants are very important for us, not only us and all living beings. Directly or indirectly, all living beings are depending into the plants as a shelter, as a food and oxygen. All purposes we are depending into that plants. So we need to plant more and more plants and the trees. Okay, and then it is a very important part in our life. Plants is a very important plants in our life. And then if there is no plant in such, the earth can't support the life. Okay, the earth can't support the life. So we need to protect our surroundings as well as our plants also. Okay, without the food can we live? No, we can't live without the food. And without the plant can we live? No, because we need the oxygen, we need the food, we need the shelter, everything we are depending into the plant. So we need to take care and we need to plant more and more plants and the trees in our surroundings. Okay, in this chapter you have seen the filling the blanks. Jump start is the pumpkins have a dash root. Which root is the tap root? Okay, and the cherry and strawberry have a dash root. Cherry and strawberry have a fibrous root. And then their stems are thin and soft. And then herbaceous plant have the thin and the soft. And the next dash is an underwater plant. Tap grass is an underwater plant. Already you were discussed this all concept in the previous class. Previous class means in last year. In the third class, you already learned about this concept. There are 2 types of roots. That is a tap root and the fibrous root. What are the examples of the tap root? And then what are the examples of the tap root? Jasmine, rose, all things are the examples of the tap root. And the fibrous root, we know that onion and then grass, all things, all plants are the fibrous roots. Like that, all concept we were discussed in the small class, and then next we have to go to our lesson, reproduction in plants. And what is the reproduction? The process of, even before one brainstorm question is the, how does a seed grow into a new plant? Is it similar to the parent plant? Discuss. And then in this place one question is that we need to give that answer, and then after discussing this lesson we have to get the complete answer. Okay. And then the process of producing new plant which resembles in the parent plant is called reproduction. Reproduction is plants takes place either from the vegetative parts or a reproductive part. What is a reproduction? What is a reproduction? Reproduction is the process of producing new plant. Reproduction is the process of producing new plant which resembles from the parent plant. Which resembles from the parent plant. That is known as a reproduction. Even inside here, one plant is there. This is known as a parent plant. Okay. And then from this plant, when a new plant is starting to grow. From this plant is starting to grow. This is a small baby plant. Okay. And And then what is the reproduction? Not only one plant, and here this is also another plant. Small plant is the reproduction. The process of producing new plant. What is a new plant? This is a new plant. Okay. The process of producing new plant from where? From the parent plant. This is a parent. Okay, mother plant. Okay. This is a mother plant or a parent plant. From the parent plant, which one is producing new plant is a coming. That is known as a reproduction. What is a reproduction? One more time you have to repeat. The process of producing new plant. The process of producing new plant. The process of producing here maybe your new plant is the process of producing new plant from which resembles from a parent plant. The process of producing new plant which resembles parent plant is known as reproduction. The process of producing new plant which resembles from the parent plant is known as reproduction. Reproduction may be in the vegetative parts, either it may be in the reproductive part. Okay, reproduction may be in the vegetative part and then other it may be in the reproductive part. What is the difference between vegetative and then reproductive part? Let's we have to discuss that one. And the vegetative reproduction from the vegetative part. First concept is reproduction from the vegetative part. The new plant is producing from the roots, stem or leaves are known as reproduction from the vegetative parts. What is it? The new plant is producing from the roots of a plant or a stem of a plant or a leaf of the plant is known as reproduction from the vegetative part. Okay, and then we have to discuss this one after we have to go to the reproductive part. Okay, first we need to learn this part, vegetative parts, reproduction from the vegetative part. The roots, stem and leaves are the vegetative part of a plant. Let us learn about these parts and their ways to reproduce. Thus we have to know how the plant is reproduced through the vegetative parts. Let's we have to see the picture. Okay. This is a sweet potato. How the sweet potato plant is growing here? Small parts are there here. From that parts, which one is growing? Sweet potatoes plant is growing. And then here roots of a sweet potato, turnip and radish not only store food but also have the capability to grow into new plants when replanted. We know that these are the roots. Okay, which one is a potato, turnip, radish? That is the roots of a plant. Okay, actually we know that whenever we are taking the potato, we can't find out that is the roots. We are eating that fleshy part is there. That is a food storing part of the plant. And then turnip and then radish, that fleshy part we are eating. Suppose you have to cut that piece and then you have to plant that into mud. And at that time you have to get the new plants also from these plants. Okay, and then here some flowers, seeds are there. Sorry, that is going into that reproductive part. Just we have to go to that is roots only, and from the roots we know that potato, turnip, radish, all things are. Sweet potato, all things are growing. Next one is the stem. Stems of rose, money plant, and sugarcane are grown by planting the stem cutting. These stem cutting have several buds that grow into a new plant. Another example of the stem, and then here jasmine rose is the best example of the stem to plant the new plant. Even if you like that rose plant, and whenever you are walking on the ground, walking on that street or anywhere, we are seeing that very beautiful rose flower is there. Even that time we are so attractive that rose flower, you are asking to that house owner, please give me small piece of that branch, and then they are cutting with the blade or any sharp object and then giving to you. What you are doing? You are take that one and then and take your home and then keep that one into mulch. Means that you are adding that some cow dung and then soil, and then you are mixing with that one and to keep in that pot, and just you are put that one into that pot. And then after daily you are watering the plant, you have to get the beautiful rose plant, and then after you have to get the beautiful rose flower also. And then same like jasmine also. We are cutting that jasmine branch and then we are planting. Then we will get the jasmine plant. Like that, lot of plants are there in our surroundings. By using the stem and then we are cultivating. Okay, sorry, we are planting. And let's see how to look the picture. This is a beautiful rose, and what we are doing, and then there is no seeds or anything, and then we are using that one branch, cutting that branch, and then next we are taking outside one small piece and then put in the pot, and then after we are watering the plants, and then we will be getting new plant. Okay, is it clear? And first we are cut a stem from the plant. We are cutting the stem. Okay, and then next we are clear the stem by the removing leaves. Somebody is removing the leaves. If you are not removing the leaves, there is no problem. And then after your plants the stem, plant the stem, they are put in that fertilized soil, and then next we have a new plant grows. We have to get a new plant. Okay, this is the process. Just you have to try to make the small beautiful garden in front of your house. Okay. And then here some plants like jasmine and grapevine can be grown by burying their branches in the soil without detaching them from the parent plant. We know that is not attaching to the parent plant, and sometimes we know that some plants are there, even here even sometimes the grapevine or anything is attached to the plant, means surely the new plants also starting from here. Same like the next line, and then jasmine also. Even the transgenic part is going to the mud, and from there which one is starting to grow, new plant is starting to grow. Okay, next one here, look this picture. Even if the branches or stem is moving downside and then attached to the mud, and then that time from there which one is starting to grow, the new plant is starting to grow. Even suppose this one is a jasmine plant, and here this one is here also leaves are there, and this is attached here inside from this place which one is starting to grow, new plant is starting to grow. Okay, and then next there are certain underground stem like potato, onion and ginger that stores the food and grow buds. You know that in your house you are preparing the food potato. You more days that is keep in your house, and you have to see small buds. Okay, tomorrow I will be sure to that one, and then that time you have to see that which one is a small green color is buds, from the buds which one is a small green color is also coming outside. If you cut and keep that or plant it, and then you have to get the new plant also. Same onion also you have to see small leaves also starting to grow from the onions. Okay, and then we started from the buds of the plant which one is starting to grow, new plant is starting to grow. Okay, and the next one is the leaves. Some plants leaves are there, and then here already we were discussing that the reproduction from the vegetative parts or the reproduction from the reproductive part. In this case we are explaining about the reproduction from the vegetative part. Vegetative part is we know that it roots from the roots, from the stem, from the leaves which is growing, the new plants are growing. That is known as reproduction from the vegetative parts. Last one is the leaves. Leaves is a vegetative part of a plant. Okay, and then leaves we know that some leaves. Which one is there in that and the tip of the leaves. Tip of the leaves, and then or blade leaves mainly you have to see the buds. Okay, even whenever you are showing leaves get the here actually the roots everything is the birds are the small birds are the that one is the search that food and nutrients from the ground and then automatically that is starting to grow. Okay, here which one is the new plant is starting to grow. Here you have to see in this biofilm leaves is the best example. Biofilm leaves is the best example of the plant is growing from the leaves. Okay, and then here the leaves of some plants like Bryophyllum and the begonia have the buds at their edges. Usually in the leaf blade part, we have to see the buds, small buds. Whatever maybe in the potato and then sweet potato, tablet, and then we have to see that same like buds are there in the at the leaf blade part. Means at the tip, side of the leaves. We have to see, and then here, which can grow into new plants. Even when these leaves fall onto the ground, how the leaves from the leaves new plant is grow? Even suppose that leaves is falling on the ground, the buds grow into tiny new plants. Even these buds are starting to grow because that leaves get that nutrients, water, everything from the soil. So it is starting to grow. And the best example, Bryophyllum leaves. Okay, and which later grow into a bigger plants. Afterwards, that one is growing a big plants like. Let's see how to go. And then in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the reproduction. Reproduction means that the process of producing new plant which resembles the parent plant. What's the reproduction? The new process of producing new plant which resembles the parent plant. Okay, and then reproduction either may be in the vegetative parts or be in the reproductive parts. The reproduction from the vegetative parts, let's discuss only that reproduction from the vegetative parts. It may be in the roots, stem, leaves. This is known as the new plant is even the process of producing new plant from the roots, stem or leaves is known as the reproduction from the vegetative parts. Okay, and then roots example sweet potato, turnip, radish are examples of the new plant is growing from the seeds, roots, and then stem means like jasmine, rose, and potato, onion, all ones are the examples of the new plant is growing from the stem, and then leaves. The new plant is growing from the leaves. Best example, Bryophyllum and begonia. Like that, these are the examples. Okay, next class we have to discuss about the reproduction from the reproductive part.